OTR-21 Tochka 3/4 NTHTH degree A. English, Tactical Operational Missile Complex Tochka, Point is a Soviet short-range tactical ballistic missile. Its GRAU designation is 9K79. Its NATO reporting name is SS-21 Scarab. It is transported in a 9P-129 vehicle and raised prior to launch. It uses an inertial guidance system. The OTR-21 forward deployment to the German Democratic Republic began in 1981, replacing the earlier Frog series of unguided artillery rockets. Description: the OTR-21 is a mobile missile launch system, designed to be deployed along with other land combat units on the battlefield. While the Frog 7 is large and relatively inaccurate, the OTR-21 is much smaller. The missile itself can be used for precise strikes on enemy tactical targets, such as control posts, bridges, storage facilities, troop concentrations and airfields. The fragmentation warhead can be replaced with a nuclear, biological or chemical warhead. The solid propellant makes the missile easy to maintain and deploy. OTR-21 units are usually managed in a brigade structure. There are 18 launchers in a brigade. Each launcher is provided with 2 or 3 missiles. The vehicle is completely amphibious, with a maximum road speed of 60 km/h and 80 km/h in water. It is NBC protected. The system has been in development since 1968. 3 variants have been created. Scarab A, the initial Scarab A entered service with the Soviet Army in 1975. It carries one of 3 types of warhead, 482 kg of conventional HE, fragmentation, nuclear. The minimal range is about 15 km, maximum range is 70 km. Its circular area probable is estimated to be about 150 am. Scarab B, the improved Scarab B was introduced in 1989. Improved propellant increased the range to 120 km. CEP significantly improved, to less than 95 am. Scarab C, a third variant, Scarab C, was developed in the 1990s. Again, range increased, and CEP decreased to less than 70 am. Scarab C weighs 1,800 kg. Others: North Korea has developed a local variant, the KN-02 Tochka, by reverse engineering Syrian-supplied Scarab A missiles. The Tochka has a range of 120 to 140 km, and it is the most accurate ballistic missile in KPA's inventory to date. The KN-02 uses a MAZ-630308-224 truck instead of the 9P-129. North Korea is also believed to be developing an anti-ship ballistic missile version of the KN-02. The land-based missile would have a range of 200 to 300 km and travel at Mach 4 to 5. Its range would be longer than current KN-01 variants and be much more difficult to intercept due to its speed. The missile would be similarly threatening to South Korean and American warships as the Chinese DF-21D carrier killer missile, and Iran is believed to be involved given their work in anti-ship ballistic missile development. Using combat, Russia used the missiles in the Chechen Wars. At least 15 Tochka missiles were deployed by Russian forces from August 8 to 11 during the 2008 South Ossetia War. During the Syrian civil war, starting from late 2012, the Syrian army fired different ballistic missiles types against the rebels, among which OTR-21 missiles were filmed. Operators: in Armenia, at least 8 launchers Tochka-U, in Azerbaijan, 3 launchers Tochka-U with 4 missiles, a Belarus, 36, a Bulgaria, a known number, a Kazakhstan, a known number, a Russia, 220 launchers. Missile systems have been upgraded since 2004, a Ukraine, 90, a Syria, a known number, a Yemen, 10, a North Korea, a known number of variant KN-02, former operators, a Czechoslovakia, passed on to successor states. A Czech Republic, inherited from Czechoslovakia, retired. A East Germania, retired. A Hungary, less than 10, retired. A Poland, 4 retired in 2005, because of lack of rockets and service parts. A Slovakia, small number, inherited from Czechoslovakia, all retired. A Soviet Union, passed on to successor states. References. External links, SS-21 Scarab article on warfare GRAU, Tochka U video, SS-21 Scarab, Russian, OTR missile-threat.com SS-21, Jane's Defense News on North Korean SS-21 test, April 2006.